Hey guys, I'm gonna do my squishy video. Let's go, I guess. Okay, first up is this cupcake. Next is this bear. Then this dog. Let's go behind me. Then this alpaca squishy, I think. Then I have this like clock thing. I don't know. Then I have this defected ice cream. Then I have these two Hello Kitty donuts that are licensed, but I don't have the licensing anymore, so I connected them. One. And oh, this one has like, it's like a dip, it's half dip. This is a Hello Kitty donut. And then this rainbow one. Then I have this bread that I just randomly have it. Then I have this replica of the Pat Pat Zoo. Then I have this giant squishy sloth. Then I have this. No! His ear is falling off. Then I have this defected unicorn whose ear is falling off, so I'm gonna put it right there. Yes. And then I have this mermaid that is not that cute. So, and then I have this this galaxy poop squishy. So rising. Hello. Hamburger with pickles on top. Ow. Then I have this really defected bear holding a, I don't know what that is. Then I have this, I think it's called a marshmallow cake replica. And then I have this milk squishy that's defected on the bottom. Yeah. Then I have this big taco. Then I have this koala in a cup. Then I have this really defected cat ice cream thing, whatever. Then I have this like hamster thing. I don't know what it is. It's just like giant, so I like it. What squishy should I do now? Okay. This was one of my favorite ones. It's a cat in a donut. It's like a summer thing squishy. It's supposed to be floating on a donut. Donut. Yeah. Here's an ice cream with eyes and a mouth. Well, it literally has a face. The replica mermaid. Not that slow rising though. The Billy replica with the half of his eye missing. Then I have this replica of the eye blue peach. Then I have a football squishy. Then what is this? I don't know what this is. Okay. So here I have this random thing. I don't know what it is. What is that? Get away from me, fly. Where'd it go? Okay. Then I have this like pig thing. I don't know. Looks like a pig. Though, yeah. Then there is this duck. Like a rubber duck squishy. So, next one is a bunch of these cute little kawaii like squishies. It's like a kawaii hamburger. I have like 10 of these. Exact same ones because they come in blind bags. Here's a bunch more. Oh, where's the other one? There's the one. There it goes. Same thing pretty much. I'm just finding a bunch of other ones. I'm looking for them. Oh, whatever. Here's a hot dog one with a kawaii face and mustard. Yeah. I have this ice cream. popcorn, random shark in a floaty, cookies, Valentine's heart squishy, bread, cake, another piece of cake that's in pink, watermelon, jumbo popcorn my brother brought me, banana, then this cat squishy that I randomly have. Then I have this really defected pizza. Next is these two that I have no clue what they are. So there's this one first. It's like a dog and a taco or something. I don't know. Then this little, like, I don't know what that is, but it has a piece of pizza on its head. So yeah, it's cute. Then I have this brownie with a raspberry on top. Done with that one. Okay. Then I have this narwhal. Then I have this ice cream again. I have a star. Okay, here it is. Here's the rainbow squishy with the kawaii face. It's cute. Then I have this like evil piece of toast or something. I have this pink cat. This poop cat that's sleeping. Giant owl squishy. Oh, that is so stiff. Oh my god, I'm make a mess. Y'all see that? I'll show you when I'm done. This Harry Potter cat. This cat dressed in Harry Potter. No, just a Harry Potter cat. Then this creepy squirrel that haunts me. Pancake. I guess I'll show this one first. It's like funky cookie thing. This cute little, like, I don't know what he is or she is. I don't know. Oh, literally just sat on it next to me. Jumbo panda bun with the ear missing. This. Oh my god, I need to on my back, y'all. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Then this is my melody. And it's licensed. There's the licensing. And oh, you better get away. Okay, there. Next one is this like Karupi. I'm not gonna try to read that. There it is. That's what he's supposed to look like, and this is him as a marshmallow. There you go. I'm gonna have this cookie that is like so thin but so rising. Like so slow rising. Look, y'all. It's so slow rising, y'all. And on this cat thing, I don't know. Blue dog. Pretty much like the gray dog I showed in the beginning. I don't know what that was. Sorry, y'all. Seashell. Cookie thing. With a little like pink Rilakkuma. Squishy. Macaron. Squishy from Michaels. An eclair with nothing on it, like a red, like mini eclair with nothing. It's literally just I got this cute package, and it's not supposed to have these green dots on them. Someone drew them on with marker. So yeah, there you go. Cat ears are getting annoying. Really bad donut. It's not squishy at all. Like, look at the back. I mean, it looks cute, but no. Not cute. Piece of pie, because y'all know I love my pie. If you didn't know and it's your first time, then hi. Sorry, I didn't say that at the beginning of this video. But I'm almost done, y'all. And I have replicas. And then I have this dog in a purse. Probably better get out. Okay, sorry, y'all. Then I have this melon bun thing. If y'all can't see this, I'm sorry. And I have a peanut butter and jelly with defects right there. I don't even know where it happened from. So yeah, there we go. Then I have this this blue eclair with like drizzle on them. Yeah. I have this mini waffle. Croissant. Mini croissant. Another star. So y'all, nothing different. Pineapple squishy, because I love fruit, so. 2 seashells. I got the replica. This one is hard and not slow rising. This one is so slow rising. See? 1, 2, 3. Contest. What? Oh my god. And I'm just finishing up this video. Then there's this drizzled donut. This bear on a cupcake. Oh, wrong one. Bear sleeping on a cupcake. Yeah. Panda bun. Another panda bun. Bun. A bun bun. And there's this dog squishy thing. I don't know. It's like a cute little doggy. So cute. It's my brother's actually. Focus on this thing. Don't focus on me, huh? Okay, look at that. Look at it. Okay. It's so cute. Okay, I'm almost done. As you can see, it's almost done. It's got this ice cream thing, I guess. Yes. That was nothing. Just thought something was coming. This donut thing, I don't know. It's too thin, I don't like it. I'll show you all this. I call them the wee bears. It's exactly 3. Squish! They're all squished. Oh, they're all pretty much next to each other. This pom-pom hamster replica with a defect. So yeah. This other panda bun. That's a girl with a bow. 2 little mini replicas of the Hello Kitty donut. Okay. They're really nice, y'all. And then I have these 2 other animals. This is a husky and the purple cat again. Dark purple cat. Then I have this cotton candy. Focus. So cute, y'all. Oops. Throw it. Then this jumbo popcorn with like Skittles or M&Ms, whatever you want to call them. I have this waffle that has licensing, y'all. I get licensed squishies once in a while. And I have this bread. I'm sorry if y'all can't see me and I'm not focusing. Sorry, y'all. That was a funky face I make. This like, I don't know what these are. Teriyaki. I'm not gonna even try to pronunciate it. There it is. Then there's a pink one. Shoot. And there's blue donut. Blue panda bun. And then I have this random foot squishy. Okay, let's just show y'all that it is like so weird. You couldn't even see the toenail. If y'all could see those. Well, it's got a funky face though. And I got this funny like turtle thing. I lost it. Sorry about that. Here it is. I was walking. Move the camera over there so it's focused on me. Just kidding. There's this apple without the top thing on it. Focus. Focus! It's not focused on the apple. Focus. There. There you go. Focus on me. Okay. It's like funky thing that I don't know what it is. Getting a bunch. I'm just getting a handful. Okay, this little tightly squishy. Popcorn. Emoji bun. Another eclair. Toast. With a face. It's itchy, y'all. Sorry, bug bites. This bun dumpling thing. This dumpling. Y'all, another rainbow. Rubbing bunch. Just dumping the rest out in front of me, y'all. Sorry about that white stuff. Can y'all see it? Can y'all? Sorry about that, y'all. I'm just not professional on YouTube. So let's go next button. Okay, focus on this button. Okay, it's not focus on me. Focus on the button. There, it's cute. It's like, I thought there was a crackling squishy, but see, it's not. So, there's this. It's supposed to be. I don't know what it's supposed to be. It's just like it's cat shaped, but it has a dog face on it. This is some bear thing. Eat me cake. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it says eat me. Okay. Okay. Hello Kitty. Right. Other paw. Bunch of donut thing. Donuts and Squishmallows. They're gone. Sorry, y'all. Bread. Dumpling. This thing with a pencil topper, I guess. Okay, then there's this like bear thing. I don't know what it is. There's this goldfish, which is adorable. There, you can see it. Let's just focus on it. Focus on it. Oh, you can't even see his eyeballs. There. There's Bunny. There's the bunny. Pink bunny. Frog, of course. Little cute mermaid. Pink hair. A rice thing above it. Here it is. It's like funky thing. I don't know what it is. Baseball squishy. Heart. Face bun thing. I don't know. This like bed. And then this panda bun. And yeah, that will conclude my squishy collection. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you the mess I made right now. Well, that is the messiest thing ever. I threw all my squishies and they're everywhere. Like even on my blanket. Like, I love all my squishies. That will conclude my video. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. And hopefully you have a snack to eat while watching this, because it kind of took a while. So hopefully you subscribed and liked and put a comment on what you want me to do next time. And please put a bunch of dares, because I want to do dares of slime and squishies, because I have a lot of slime and I have a lot of squishies. So please do a slime and squishy dare and put them in the comments down below. So can y'all do that? Can y'all? That really saved my life. So hopefully you liked and subscribed and put a comment about a dare. And then, yeah, so that's all I want to say. Bye. Hopefully you stay tuned for my next video. Well, not my next video. I don't know how many videos I'm going to do. But I gotta go right now. And I'm going to tell you in a minute. Hey guys, I'm going to do my...
Start again because I was talking.
Fly. This thing, I don't know what happened. Kill that fly so much. Get this paw.